All right, let's dive in. Today, we're on a mission to find the absolute best dash cams for 2026. We've waded through all the tech, all the specs to bring you the top 5 cameras that are going to protect you, your car, and honestly, your peace of mind. So let's get right to it.
You know that feeling, right? That heart in your throat moment when a car just appears out of nowhere and swerves into your lane. Or maybe it's that sinking feeling when you come back to your car and find a brand new, mysterious scratch on the door. No note, no clue, just a ton of frustration.
And that's really the heart of it, isn't it? In those moments, it's just your word against theirs. A dash cam completely flips that script. It's your silent, totally impartial witness that just records the truth. It gives you that indisputable proof right when you need it the most.
So I don't want you to think of this as just another gadget for your car. No. What we're talking about today is finding a silent guardian for your journey. A little piece of tech that's always watching over you, making sure your side of the story gets told loud and clear. And today, we're going to find the perfect one for you. Okay, let's kick off our countdown at number 5. This first one is for all of you out there who you hate clutter. You want the protection for sure, but you want it to be basically invisible.
So say hello to the Garmin Mini 2. And I'm calling this the tiny secret agent because I'm not kidding. This thing is unbelievably small. We're talking smaller than your car key fob. You just tuck it right behind your rearview mirror, and I promise you will completely forget it's even there.
This is, without a doubt, the perfect pick for the minimalist. Its biggest selling points are the voice control and that tiny size. And it comes in at a super accessible price, somewhere between $100 and $150. It's just simple, effective protection without any of the fuss.
But hey, don't let that tiny size fool you. It is packing some serious tech. You get clear 1080p video, a nice wide 140-degree lens, and the best part, you can control it with your voice. Just say, "Okay, Garmin, save video," and you never have to take your hands off the wheel. It'll even detect an incident automatically and upload the footage to a secure cloud vault so your proof is always safe.
Coming in hot at number 4. Okay, let's talk about something that drives us all crazy with cheaper cameras. Blurry footage. I mean, what's the point of having a video of a hit and run if you can't even make out the license plate? Well, our next pick completely solves that problem, and it won't break the bank.
This is the 70Mi AA10, and I'm calling it the budget powerhouse for a reason. It delivers a feature you usually only find in really expensive, high-end models. We're talking true 4K resolution at a price that's just remarkably affordable. Yeah, its standout feature is that true 4K resolution. This is so crucial if your number one priority is having crystal clear evidence. That level of detail means you can actually pause the video and read a license plate or see some other small detail that could make or break an insurance claim. It's a game changer. So how does it pull this off? Well, the secret ingredient is something called the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. Right now, this is pretty much the gold standard in camera technology, and it is a massive deal for night driving. It just sucks in more light, cuts down on glare, and gives you amazing clarity when most other cameras would just show you a dark, blurry mess.
All right, moving on to number 3. Now, for some of us, especially if you're a parent or maybe a rideshare driver, what's happening out the front windshield is only part of the story, right? You really need eyes everywhere.
And for that, we have the Wolfbox G900, which we've nicknamed the 360-degree Guardian. See, this isn't just a dash cam. It's more like a full-on surveillance system for your car. It's built for anyone who needs a complete all-around view, inside and out. For rideshare, it's your proof of what happened on a trip. For parents, it's like having an extra set of eyes on the back seat.
So here's the breakdown of what makes it so complete. You get a powerful 4K camera for the front, a solid 1080p camera for the rear, and an interior-facing camera that has infrared night vision. And that interior camera is the key. It means it can see perfectly what's happening inside the car, even in pitch-black darkness. That's what gives you true 360-degree protection.
And now for our runner-up at number 2. Let's switch gears a little, from when you're driving to when you're parked. You know that anxiety leaving your car in a packed parking lot or on a street you don't know? It's a real feeling, and this next camera is designed specifically to deal with that.
Meet the Veroid S1. I'm calling this one the Sentinel because its whole mission in life is to stand guard over your vehicle when you're not around. It's way more than just a camera. It's a dedicated security system.
So how does its buffered parking mode actually work? It's brilliant, really. See, most cameras only start recording after they get hit. The S1 is smarter. It's always recording a short loop, so when it senses a bump, It saves the footage from before, during, and after the incident. You see the whole story, not just the aftermath. And to top it off, it sends an alert straight to your phone.
Okay, let's recap. We've seen a camera that's tiny and simple, one with amazing 4K value, another with 360-degree vision, and a master of parking security. But each one involved a little trade-off. So what if you didn't have to compromise? What if you could have the best of all those worlds? The elite video quality, the top-tier night vision, rock-solid reliability, and that awesome parking security, all rolled into one perfect package. Well, that brings us to our number one pick.
We've made it. We're at the top of the list. If you're the kind of person who just says, look, just tell me the single best all-around dash cam I can possibly buy in 2026, well, this is your answer.
The Viofo A329S, and I'm calling this one the masterpiece because it excels in every single category that actually matters. It takes all the best features we've talked about so far and combines them into one flawlessly balanced device.
Let's just break down why it's number one. The front camera is 4K, of course, with that incredible Sony Starvis 2 sensor for unbeatable night vision. But here's the kicker, the real surprise. The rear camera is 2K. Get this, that's a higher resolution than the front cameras on a lot of other dash cams. It means you get unbelievably clear evidence from behind too. And it uses a supercapacitor instead of a battery, so it's ultra reliable in brutal heat or freezing cold. It just doesn't compromise.
But honestly, it's the little things, the human touches, that really push it over the top. It actually gives you voice announcements so you always know it's working. Its ability to balance super bright headlights against dark shadows at night is second to none. You can read license plates on cars way ahead of you. It's incredibly powerful, yeah, but it's also just so easy and reliable to live with day in and day out. So there you have it, from the tiny secret agent to the all-around masterpiece. The best dash cam at the end of the day isn't just about the specs on a sheet. It's the one that fits your life and gives you that extra bit of confidence on the road. Because your journey, your story, and your peace of mind, they are absolutely worth protecting. So which witness will you choose?